right, take it off. That is not, that's not what we're giving away.
It's a coffee pot from Mr. Walt.
Okay, well, what are we supposed to be doing over here?
Okay, look up on the screen, right? So we got a Packout organizer. We have a Packout XL. We also have 2 Packout mugs, the 30 ounces, 2 of the 20 ounces, and 3 of these Shockwave bit sets. Okay. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to find out how that you can win this.
Oh, they can win all that.
But they're going to have to follow the directions.
Oh, boy.
So let's show them what else we've been working on.
Besides our, look at our silly dog.
Okay, let's go out into the shop. Oh, what do you got? What are you hiding?
Not hiding anything.
Did you do something?
No, maybe.
What'd you do?
See?
Okay,
Come
yeah.
closer. Look, I made my very own Packout Princess calendars. I mean, there's
Is it safe for work?
Some of them. So
okay.
Look, that's normal.
Nobody gets to see Packout. Okay. So you're saying that there's a link in the description?
I am saying there's a link in the description if they want to have their own Packout Princess on their wall.
Okay, let's show them what else we've been doing.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay, I am gonna trip over everything. Yeah. What is this doing? Oh, you're gonna. This is what people want to see.
This is. So
instead
look,
of
I got my book talk and I got my bike talk.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna get in trouble with it. Yeah, but it's
broken right now, right?
Okay, so that's what else we're working on.
I don't think this is supposed to be a part.
Well, that's because we didn't release the ultrasonic video, right? Because we're still doing the motorcycle.
Yeah.
So we got that. Show them how pretty that looks.
This thing?
The carp.
This thing?
Yeah, look at this. Look. So this was because when we test stuff, we don't just wing it and you guys get like crap. So this guy, which, you know, Packout Princess doesn't want to show us. See,
I
this
showed it to you. I just don't know what
all
to touch.
nice and fluid now and is ready to go back on there. But it was missing what?
This thingy. This chain thingy.
No, that's
cable
not a chain.
thing.
It's not missing
cable.
that. Definitely not missing that.
I don't know. Well,
So which things, like, let's play the wall. Right, that.
This thing. Sure, why not? Hey, you don't need those things.
You don't need brakes?
You just put your feet down.
Oh, okay.
You're like Fred Flintstone it.
Okay, and then we've got, I got this one. Wait.
You want some help?
Yeah, open that up. So we're going to be doing a shootout video on these thermal cameras because we got that, and we got the Klein ones. So that works with the iPhone.
Fine.
The Klein one is standalone. That's standalone.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, and we've been working on...
Remote control weed whackers.
What? No.
Oh.
That would be pretty funny, though. But look, we got... Well, I don't have any in here, but...
The new bit holders.
Yes, because they take these thingies,
O-rings.
the O-rings.
And that was like the #1 complaint, right? Is that
the
even the stock Milwaukee ones, which are these here.
Yep.
So the problem is that, and there was a funny video on YouTube, which is that you got to like use a chainsaw and a blowtorch to get those out. So that is now much easier. In fact, do we have one built in the house, or you already packed them?
I think
you already shipped them. Okay. That's more giveaway stuff. That's the big one. I'm like sideways. So what? Okay, good. We got all the tools out. Why?
Yeah, because we're putting the charge outs together.
Oh, because we got another.
We got
good
like 3,
Lord.
4, 5 at least to do.
That's the calendar. Damn, girl.
We're talking about charge outs.
Are you saying they got to buy them to see what's in it? Okay.
Yeah, they got to. I showed up one page.
Look, I fell victim to TikTok break bomber. But, you know, we don't have a car. Again, so you guys still don't get to see it.
Nope.
Okay.
I don't know. Oh, and we still have all the stuff for the giveaways
that
we're collecting.
Show them that.
The mounting cleats?
Yeah, go over there real quick. Show them that. What was that? What was it?
Well, that was like a couple Fridays ago.
Right, but what were people basically, like, both are awesome?
Yeah, I think this is delightful.
Yeah, so Manta mounts versus stealth mounts. I got to clean that sucker up. We're not allowed to look at that blue thing. Nope. No. They're waiting until next year on that. But the giveaway pile is covered by a bunch of leaky switch tanks. Mm-hmm. So yeah, both my switch tanks are now leaking. Blah, blah, blah. But fun times, and we have been extremely swamped, right? So we're going to go do an EV charger, as I started saying.
2 EV chargers.
2 EV charger videos.
We've got a borescope video to do. We've got a laser level video to do.
All before I go out of town.
On Sunday.
So this might be a Friday video. I don't know. It depends what we can get done between the hour of 5 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. on Friday, because, you know, I got a job.
Right.
I won this. I filled out a survey and got this guy. Nice pass load hammer tack. So that's pretty sweet. We're working on a new bin, a giant rotating locking bin, which is like this. And you just put it on top of your PACKOUT. This is the one that we made for the mod box, which is just a foot on the bottom. But yeah, a couple people have said they want to put really big things on the top of PACKOUTs. So we gave it to them.
That's right.
What else are we doing?
Going crazy.
Right, but there was the thing that we started the video with.
Oh, the giveaway.
The giveaway. Okay, so I'm not allowed to say a lot, and I'm not doing the giveaway here. But I'm going to tell you where to go. And I need you to comment below if you want to know where to go to win that. There's going to be 3 winners. The first place is going to get the big PACKOUT.
Yep.
Or this guy.
No, that's second place. The first place was the big one.
And what?
And then they were going to get each one of the size of the tumblers and one of the bit holders.
You said there was going to be 3 winners.
Right. So the first place gets the really big one, and they get 2 cups and a bit holder, and then second place gets the one of these things.
So 2 cups and a bit holder, right?
And then 2 cups.
Which
and
is
a bit
the
holder.
identical, meaning first place and second place are getting the identical things, right?
Well, no, because they're 2 different PACKOUTs.
I am ordering this by saying, someone's going to get this, and a tumbler, and another tumbler.
And a bit holder.
Right. But she wants to go ahead and say that someone's going to get an XL and this. But I'm right. Right?
Sure.
Is somebody getting this and 2 tumblers?
Yes, and a bit holder.
And a bit holder kit.
Somebody else is getting the bigger one.
The XL. Okay. Yes. Right?
And
so
2 tumblers and a bit holder. And then third place will just get the bit holder.
Third place is going to get a Shockwave bit set. So basically everyone's getting a Shockwave bit set.
Yep.
One lucky person, first or second place, depending on who's right or wrong, gets an XL. And first or second place gets an organizer. And then a tumbler of a 20 ounce and a tumbler of a 30 ounce.
Yep.
So what you're going to do is comment below. And you're just going to say, how do I win?
And then we'll comment and let you know.
And we'll comment and let you know.
That's right. And then you have to follow the rabbit hole.
Yeah. And if you want to buy a calendar for Packout Princess, you know, all proceeds will go towards...
probably changing my hair color again.
Yeah, and tacos for Christmas, because we love tacos. Yeah.
Who doesn't love tacos?
So, most likely, this is the Friday video. I don't know how busy I'm going to be. She says I've got
lots of
EV stuff to do. So, you know, I'm posting a little, you know, of this on all the channels and all that fun stuff. But, yeah. And I want to try one more thing. You ready for this?
Oh, boy.
We're going to try this out. Alexa, add buying more packouts to my shopping list.
Buying more packouts added to your shopping list. By the way, I'm working to better recognize people who talk to me. You're Jacob, right?
Yes.
Great. Thank you.
So, what I want to know is,
oh boy,
if you were watching this video anywhere near one of those, you know,
devices,
monitoring devices, did yours just get added to your shopping list? If so, comment below. I want to know. Because great. I'm going to pick somebody.
You'd be added to like everybody's shopping list.
So yeah, if it worked, type what her name is, and we'll pick a couple winners to get some sticker packs and stuff like that.
There you go.
I made that up. So that's it. We got to go.
It's on the fly. We're on the fly today. It's all good.
You know, like somebody ever said, you know, I don't know how you could have, you know, 2 wives. I was like, well, you can have 2 honeydew lists. So
right.
Been busy. You guys have a good one.
All
Bye,
right.
Packout Princess. Good luck on the calendars, and I'll see you guys.
Bye.
Bye.